When Putin attacked Kyiv 7 months ago, he probably didn't ever dream that instead the Ukrainian capital, the fire will be in Moscow. But now, that's exactly what is happening literally. Several cars was set on fire in Moscow city. According to witnesses, a man shouting anti-war slogans was spotted with a Molotov cocktail near the cars. Wanna buy used Russian tank or APC? Better not, because they are useless in combat. Destroyed BTR-80, BTR-82, T-64BV, T-72, BMPs, and trucks in Lyman.
Мабуть, забрати. Сюди також притягли літачок Су-34 збитий та він далі. Зараз покажу.
Video of Ukrainian artillerymen on a 2S-1 Vodika driving by 6 Ukrainian BTR-70 damaged in an earlier advance and I think a damaged Russian T-62M tank.
Він буде розквітати, як лоза на сонці. Ми тільки зорі, що палають над Дніпром. Це любов, що є сили на пролом, захищає всю сім'ю віком. Зруйнує твій дім, де віяло теплом. Ми тільки зорі, що палають над Дніпром. Це любов, що є сили на пролом, захищає всю сім'ю віком.
I never figured out, what's the thing with Russians and washing machines? The village of Lyaimivka, Kherson region, liberated from the Russians. Trash piles, pigsties, washing machines.
Да, броня оркестра. А це сильно. Це друга армія світу. Спало, да? Спало, це буде.
Newly mobilized conscripts from Yakutia received automobile first aid kit and napkins as expected from the Second Army in the world.
Это нас бил администрация били монетары. Да? И охуение. Хотя бы тактические эмбарго диагонавтом, бля.
Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe. Also, if you want to support Warthog Defense, please become our member and get early access to new videos, exclusive members-only videos, and become administrator in comment section. The membership link is in the description.
Rescues every day. We had a guy last week, it's 6 rescues in 6 days. You know, he's doing the job every day.